In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a similar group on WhatsApp. Let's get started. This latest update makes it incredibly easier to create a new group based on an existing one without having to add every participant manually. Launch WhatsApp and navigate to the group you want to duplicate. Then click on the group name given at the top. Now here you're going to find different option. Scroll down until you find the option of create a similar group option. Once you find it, click on it. WhatsApp will instantly generate a draft of a new group with the same members already selected. Now from here you can add more members as well. Review the participant list carefully. You can remove anyone you don't want to include. Once we're happy with the member list, tap next, enter a name for your new group, then tap the check mark or create button to finish setting up the group. Your new group will be created with the selected members while remaining completely separate from the original chat. Messages, media, and chat history from the original group are not copied, giving you a fresh conversation with the people you choose to include. This feature is especially useful for organizing events, creating smaller discussions group, or starting a new conversation without rebuilding the member list from scratch. And that's it. This way you can easily create a similar group on WhatsApp. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.